So I want to talk about something that I hear very often amongst my patients. And I hear this. They say, "Oh, I was really tired last night, and that's why I snored." Or they could say, "I was tired on the night of the sleep study, and I think that's why I got diagnosed with sleep apnea." But I tell them that it's the exact opposite. It is the snoring that causes daytime tiredness. And how does this happen? Why should I say so? Why is daytime tiredness a symptom of sleep apnea? This is because the body should have been resting at nighttime during sleep. But the body was busy struggling to get oxygen because oxygen couldn't get to the body from the snoring that was going on all through the night. And so instead of the body resting, repairing tissues, going through metabolism, and doing all of the nice things that we should have during sleep, the body was in a state of stress, right? In a state of, I would put it arousal, because there are multiple nighttime arousals when someone snores or in people that have sleep apnea. A state of stress, hormones are released, cortisol is released because the body is like, hey, what's happening? I can't get oxygen. And so when you wake up from your 7 to 8 hours of sleep and you're like, whew, I made it. And you get out of bed and you're like, wait, I still feel tired. Why? It is because the body did not get the chance to rest with all that snoring that went on through the night. So think about it this way. In a 7 to 8 hour period, your oxygen drops to low levels. For some people to the 70s, some people to the 60s, 50s, that low. And your oxygen during sleep should be somewhere around 93-ish and up, 94 and up, right? But then your oxygen has been dropping so low during the night. And some of you can tell, right? You wear rings or you have watches that tell you what's going on with your oxygen, and you're just like, oh my goodness, look how low my oxygen dropped at nighttime. That's really why the body is not resting, because all of those times that your oxygen level has been dropping so low, the body is in such a stressful state and can't do much. And so that's why saying that you were so tired and you couldn't, you snored because you were so tired is actually not the right thing to say. It is actually the fact that you snored all through the night that made you tired, and then that becomes a vicious cycle that just keeps going on and on. So if you're experiencing daytime tiredness, don't just tell yourself, oh, I think it's because I am working so hard at work, my job is stressing me out, I'm so exhausted. That's not all it could be. Okay, so guys, look into this if you're experiencing it, and share this video if you know someone who might be helped by watching this video. I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.